Well, y'all, I got southern fried into a food coma at lunch today. That's right, we're talking about Fred's Market Restaurant in Lakeland, Florida. A place where you walk in hungry and waddle out with the meat sweats, a renewed respect for rutabagas, and maybe, just maybe, a small fear of chickens. But we'll get to that. Now, a little history, because this ain't just any old buffet line. This is a legacy. Fred's roots go all the way back to 1954 when Elton and Evelyn Johnson basically said, "You know what this gas station needs? Fried chicken." And bless their souls, they were so right. Evelyn started cooking for her family, then friends, then strangers who smelled the fried goodness 3 counties away. Next thing you know, Aunt Evie and Aunt Pearlie tag in and boom, Johnson's Restaurant was born. Now fast forward to 1998 when Fred and his wife Tammy opened it as Fred's Market right there at the State Farmers Market, where the veggies are so fresh they're practically still gossiping about other produce. Did you hear about that cucumber and what he said to the tomato? Scandalous. Anyway, this whole thing, this is what they call slow food fast, which sounds like a contradiction, but once you taste that fried catfish, you don't question the philosophy. You just unbutton your pants and reach for another biscuit. Now, yes, you can order from the menu, but that's for the brave and the bold. But if you're like me, lazy and easily distracted by anything in gravy, you go for the lunch buffet. $18 for all-you-can-eat Southern comfort food. That's cheaper than therapy, and honestly, way more effective. Now, let me paint you a little picture of what went down. I walk in. The smell hits me like a warm hug from Paula Deen herself. And the first thing I see? Chickens. Everywhere. Pictures of chickens. Ceramic chickens. I mean, it's like a poultry cult in there. And I'm going to be honest with y'all. Chickens freak me out. I don't trust them. They've got those little beady eyes, like they've seen things and done things and, walk around with no arms. And I swear, the chicken photo that was at my table, it was staring into my soul like it knew what I did last summer. But anyway, I soldiered on for you, for the content. So here's what was on the buffet line during this glorious lunchtime descent into food madness. Of course, fried chicken. Crunchy, juicy, perfectly seasoned, and the closest thing to a religious experience I've had outside of finding an extra nugget at the bottom of a drive-thru bag. There was fried catfish and rainbow trout, flaky, flavorful, and clearly caught during a holy revival because it tasted downright divine. Collard greens, seasoned with love and probably a pork product or two. They were so good, I momentarily forgot that I hated vegetables. Oh, and mac and cheese. And this ain't no boxed nonsense. No, this is the kind of mac that sticks to your ribs and possibly clogs your arteries, but like in a loving way. And there was sweet potato souffle. I don't know what's in it, but I'm pretty sure it's what angels spread on toast in heaven. And rutabagas. I'm not entirely sure what a rutabaga is, but I ate it, and it was delicious. And now I think I'm part Southern grandma. And then there's the salad buffet table, which is basically their way of saying, here's a place for you to pretend you're healthy before you dive face first into cobbler. It's actually pretty awesome, filled with fresh greens, homemade pasta and fruit salads, and dressings that make you wonder why you ever settled for store-bought ranch. But the real party is at the dessert table, and I'm talking strawberry shortcake that would make your Meemaw weep, and pecan pie so rich that it should probably be paying taxes, and so much more. Now, let's talk atmosphere. Fred's isn't flashy. It's homey. It's comfortable. It's got that vibe where you half expect someone's aunt to come out and ask if you're dating anyone yet. And yes, again, there are chickens watching you, judging, silently plotting. But hey, great fried chicken is worth a little poultry paranoia. So final thoughts? Fred's Market Restaurant is a southern food wonderland. It's where fried things go to become legendary. The buffet is worth every penny, the decor is charming, if mildly demonic, and it's a fantastic alternative to soul-sucking monotony of those national chain restaurants. And if you're anywhere near Lakeland, Florida and craving food that feels like a hug from your southern grandma, who may or may not be reincarnated as a chicken portrait, then Fred's Market is your spot. Now, before I fall into a deep nap from all the carbs, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment telling me if you've ever been to Fred's, or if chickens creep you out too. I need to know that I'm not alone in this. So until next time, stay hungry, stay weird, and always keep one eye on the chickens. I'll see you next time.